Hello, friends. Welcome. You can listen and learn English with today's story. It's simple, true, and full of heart. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. Do you talk to strangers? That's new. It feels nice to smile, Sophie. You should try.
Smiling doesn't solve my problems. You're too soft, Lily. People will take advantage of that. Maybe, but we just need to be kind.
Thank you so much.
That's okay. Be careful, dear. See, that wasn't too bad, right?
I just didn't want people staring at us.
You really live like this every day? I try to. It makes me calm.
I don't understand you sometimes.
The world hasn't been kind to me. I try to. Then maybe it needs to see kindness through you.
She looked away, quiet for a moment. She didn't trust kindness. Maybe she had never really seen it for real. But I believed that if she ever felt it, she'd understand. The sun climbed higher. The streets started to fill with people. Cars passed, voices mixed with the hum of the city. Sophie and I finished our coffee and started walking back toward the office. Everything felt louder now, the noise, the rush, the world moving too fast. We're late. My boss is gonna yell again. Come on, hurry up. Maybe I should try smiling and helping people like you more often.
Yes, maybe you should.
After work, Lily and Sophie walked home together, the evening light softening the noise of the city around them. As they walked home, the city began to slow down. The busy streets that once roared with cars and voices now glowed softly under the streetlights. The air felt cooler, and the golden light of sunset touched the tops of the buildings. Lily carried her bag close, her steps calm and steady. Sophie walked beside her, quiet but thoughtful, her eyes following the soft colors of the evening sky. After a while, Sophie spoke. "You know, today felt different," she said. "Not perfect, but lighter somehow." Lily smiled gently. "That's what kindness does," she said. "It doesn't fix everything, but it makes the day easier to carry." They crossed the last street before home, their shadows long behind them. The night was coming, but it didn't feel heavy, just peaceful, like the world had finally taken a deep breath. At home, the lights were soft, and the sound of the city faded into a gentle hush. Lily made tea while Sophie sat by the window, watching the moon rise slowly. For the first time in a long while, the silence between them felt warm, not empty. Lily turned off the lights, and the room filled with the soft glow of the moon. Sophie whispered goodnight, and soon the quiet rhythm of their breathing matched the calm of the night. Moral of the story? Sometimes the world doesn't change in big ways. Sometimes it changes through small, gentle acts. A smile, a thank you, a helping hand. Kindness doesn't need permission. It just needs someone brave enough to start. If you enjoyed this English conversation, don't forget to like, share, and practice speaking along with us. Every day you learn a little, you move a little closer to your goal.